His Majesty the King graced the attestation parade of the 77th Group of Recruits to the Royal Bhutan Army at the Military Training Center in Tenchiling, Wangdipota. Her Majesty the Gyaltsen and His Royal Highness Gyaltsen. The event marks a milestone in the military history of Bhutan, with the first batch of women recruits being trained in the Royal Bhutan. 151 men and 150 women completed their year-long training at the Military Training Center and will now be posted in various wings of the Royal Bhutan Army across the country. The memorable event combined the spiritual heritage of the country with the traditional ceremonies of Jimipao and Marchang, as well as displaying the training and discipline of the recruits. It is a proud moment for the recruits as well as their training officers and instructors as the parade, commanded by recruit Diki Tsomo, stood smartly for the inspection of the parade and offered the salute to His Majesty the King. The attestation parade of the 77th Group of RBA recruits was a splendid display of the enthusiasm of young men and women who are poised to serve the After His Majesty the King addressed the recruits, he presented a moving set of performances encapsulating the spirit by the Prime Minister and the Chief Operations Officer of the Royal Bhutan Army.
Ladi cha jachale jacha gutsumidi judus ratachus dubri thera thengos